Hey everyone, this video is about paragraph writing. What a paragraph is, how to write it properly, what are the basic principles which we need to keep in mind, and what are the main components of a paragraph. So let's see. But first of all, let's start with the definition or the meaning of a paragraph. What a paragraph is? Paragraph is a series of sentences or a group of sentences that has organization, coherence, and all those sentences lead to some or single idea. They lead to single idea, and that is why we also call a paragraph as a distinct unit of thought. So all the sentences in a paragraph, they are not just some random sentences. One sentence leads to another, and that idea from the top sentence to the concluding sentence, that remains the same. So this is what a paragraph is. And let's talk about some of the basic principles which we should keep in mind while writing a paragraph. First is unity of thought or idea. This is very important while writing a paragraph, that the theme we took or the topic we took to write a paragraph, we have to stick to that, and that unity of thought should continue throughout the paragraph. Second is coherence. Coherence means that complete and continuous smooth flow of our sentences, and the idea through those sentences should be there. It should always be there. So it should be in a synchronized and organized manner. And third point is that adequate development of thought. So when we are writing a paragraph, we need to develop that thought in an adequate manner. So what we need is not just 1, 2 or 3 sentences, more than that. Because if we write just 2 or 3 sentences, it is very clear that our reader will be in confusion. That thought of ours will not be complete. So that is why we always need to write at least 5 sentences in a paragraph. Only then that thought of development will be complete, and we will be able to satisfy that query of our reader. And then is fourth principle which we always need to keep in mind while writing something, that is our grammar, our spelling mistakes, which we need to keep in check. And the word limit is also important here. We don't need to write too much because it's a paragraph. And then some of the components, 3 main components of a paragraph, they are very important. First is, whenever we start a paragraph, there always should be a topic sentence. What a topic sentence is? The first sentence of your paragraph, which is going to define the topic or the main theme of that paragraph. That topic or the idea or the thought or the theme of that paragraph should be very clear from that topic sentence. We should come to know about what is going to be written in the paragraph. That would be clear from the first sentence only. So topic sentence is very important while writing a paragraph. Then is the main content of your paragraph, and what we also call it as our supporting or detailed sentences. Supporting or detailed sentences we call them, because these sentences in the paragraph, they are supporting the main idea which we wrote in our topic sentence. So all these supporting sentences or detailed sentences should agree with our topic sentence. So whenever we are writing these other sentences in the paragraph, we have to keep in mind what we wrote in topic sentence, and they both should be in agreement with each other. And some of the things which we have to keep in mind while writing these detailed sentences, that we need to add some detail in them, and we need to give some examples to prove our idea in them. And at the same time, third part or the main component of writing a paragraph, that is concluding sentence. Now we have adequately developed that thought through our these sentences, detailed sentences. Then at last, through that closing sentence or concluding sentence, we should be able to close the complete paragraph, all the idea which was discussed in the topic sentence and which we tried to put in detail in our detailed sentences, that should now be concluded through this last sentence. And only then, when these three components are there in a paragraph, only then our paragraph will be complete. So these are certain things which we need to keep in mind while writing a paragraph. Some of the basic principles and these three components: topic sentence, our main sentences in between, which we also call as detailed sentences, and then last is concluding sentence. In this manner, we will be able to write a better paragraph. We will not miss on some or other things which we needed to keep in that sentences, and this paragraph in that paragraph, and this paragraph will be complete in this manner. Let me explain paragraph writing to you through this simple example of a dog. So let's say that we have to write a paragraph about a dog, and this will be our title, a dog. And how I'm going to write a simple paragraph about a dog. So what we need to start with is a topic sentence. This is one of the main component of writing a better paragraph. We always need a topic sentence. So how I started here is, a dog is a useful animal. So this is my topic sentence. And suppose or say, if I just delete this topic sentence from this paragraph, so it is very clear that this paragraph won't be complete. So topic sentence is very important, and how we write it, that is also important. So a topic sentence will always be telling us about the main theme or the main title or the main idea of the whole paragraph. So we are very clear that dog is a useful animal, and how he is useful to us, let's see. And we have to adequately improve and proceed with that thought. So it guards our house. So dog is useful because it guards our house. Then we will again try to adequately put some more detail to this paragraph. It protects us from burglars. So this is again his usefulness. It protects us from burglars. So first detailed sentence is there, then this second detailed sentence is there, and third detailed sentence is, it plays with us and entertain us. So in this manner, we have been able to put adequate detail to this paragraph, which is supporting and agreeing with our topic sentence. And now we need to conclude this paragraph, and for that I have written this sentence: it keeps us safe and makes our life easy. So in this manner, through this closing sentence or concluding sentence, we are able to conclude the whole paragraph. And this closing sentence and all these adding or additional sentences, they are in agreement with our topic sentence. So this is how we can explain paragraph writing through a very easy and simple example of a dog.